I'm going to take a look at the motion effects in Premiere. These allow you to change the scale, position and movement of a clip in the screen on the screen. So if I select this clip and go up to the motion video effects here, and I just click on the little arrow to the side, we've got some parameters we can play with. So let's just move this up here. So if I click on the scale value here, which is set to 100, and just move the mouse left and right, you can see I can zoom in and out, and that's changing the scale of the clip, the size of the clip. Now this can be quite useful to do like a little bit of a frame adjustment, but the more you kind of zoom in, the lower the quality of the image. It depends how much you can sort of get away with, basically. So if I wanted to sort of reframe this so it was a lot closer in, I mean that should be fairly okay. And I can actually click on the image in the program sequence monitor and I can reposition it. So let's do it like that. So when I play that back, it's kind of zoomed in and repositioned. I can also animate the position of this. So if I wanted it to kind of, I don't know, slowly pan like that, then I hadn't really shot a pan, I can use the animation controls to do that pan. So if I go to the timeline, let's take it to here, and then I go to the position and then click on toggle animation. That's put in a keyframe. Okay, so at this point on the timeline, the clip's position is these values. If I move the timeline across to say here, then I reposition it, you can see there's that, reposition it the other way is where I want to go. You can see there's that dashed line, that's where it's going to move to over that period. So if I play that back now, let's move this up a bit, press play, then as you can see it's panning or moving across. So you can do some quite interesting things with that, and reframing shots and kind of moving things about. But as I said before, the more you zoom in, the lower the quality of the image. You can see the keyframes on your clip by clicking on the triangle by position. Let's just move this window in here so we can see it. So those little diamond shaped things, they're the keyframes. So I can actually click on them and I can move them, so I can make a much faster motion. Let's just put those together like so. So that's faster. If I spread them out, it's going to be slower. So I can have this moving left to right, up and down. I can animate the scale as well. So say I want it to zoom out, or zoom in rather. So that's the zoom position, the scale position there. So let's take it here and let's just have it do that. So now if I play that back, it's going to sort of move and zoom out. So you can use this scale effect to do kind of picture within picture, or divide the screen into 4 different images, or you can crop this image too. So there's lots of applications, uses that you can do with this motion effect. So I'll just show you that now. So let's just get rid of that clip. Let's get this. Okay, let's take the playback bar back, motion, let's drag this window over here so you can see it better. So I can scale this, let's drag this into the corner. I'm going to copy it, click on the other clip, scale it, and drag this into here. You can also, when you scale it, you can stretch it as well if you wanted to. So let's just keep the width the same. Oh, hang on. Uniform scale. Drag that down here. And scale the height up again so it's about half. And you can click on the bounding box as well and adjust it. So now I've got this kind of montage, collage of video. So you can do interesting things like that.